Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To write funky text on the terminal using Python, you can utilize the colorama library. Colorama allows you to easily make text colorful and apply formatting to the text displayed in the terminal. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to write funky text on the terminal using Python with the colorama library. Step 1. Install the colorama library. You can install colorama using pip by running the following command in your terminal. Step 2. Import the necessary modules. In your Python script, you need to import the init function from the colorama module to initialize the colorama module for Windows systems. You also need to import the fore and style classes to apply colors and styles to the text. Step 3. Initialize the colorama module. Before using colorama, you need to initialize it by calling the init function to set up colorama for Windows systems. Step 4. Write funky text to the terminal. You can now write colorful and styled text to the terminal using the fore and style classes provided by the colorama module. Here is an example code snippet that demonstrates how to print funky text to the terminal. In the above code snippet, fore.red, fore.green, fore.cyan are used to set the text color to red, green, and cyan respectively. Style.bright is used to make the text bold. Style.reset_all is used to reset the text color and style back to the default. Step 5. Run your Python script. Save your Python script and run it in the terminal. You should see the funky text displayed with the specified colors and styles. That's it. You have now learned how to write funky text on the terminal using Python and the colorama library. Experiment with different colors and styles to create your own funky text effects.